records get processed and we pass it or do whatever we wanted to do. Now, inside a internal table, for each of certain records, I have to perform certain actions. I have to basically perform certain actions. Actions in the sense I want it. For example, I have an internal table with order number one, right? Created by S. Vikram, right? And date material group with FG material group. Okay. Now order number two is Sandeep, which is I'm talking the complete things are in the semi-finished good, semi SFG. Okay. So, like assume that we have records like this one and two. Now and so I have one more order, Vikram. It is SFG and the quantity is 10. The quantity is 30. Now for Sandeep the quantity is 20. This is third record. This is third record. This is second record. Okay. Now user says for each of the order with respect to the person who created it, I want the complete quantity to be added.
Complete quantity means all the three records?
No, for each of the for each of the sales order for which the name is unique. For example, we have two different orders here. One which has a name with Vikram, second which has a name with Sandeep. Right? So for Vikram, he says that collect all the orders of the Vikram and add its quantity. Add its quantity. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
So tell me what is the total quantity of Vikram?
Actually, 40, but the thing is that the material are different, yeah, FG and SFG.
No, I am not asking whether it is FG order or SFG order. I am asking you based upon the name.
40 plus 10, 40.
40. Now, first thing is I wanted to add based upon Vikram. Then it is 40. I would ask what is the total of Sandeep? It would be 20. Okay. Now, second time my requirement is I am not bothered about the name of the order who created it. Based upon the material type, whether it is if it is an FG order, calculate all the subtotals. If it is an SFG order, calculate all the subtotals. So what would be the subtotal of FG here? I am not considering name anymore. So the subtotal of FG would be 10 and SFG would be 50. Are you correct? Vikram, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
I am not considering, second requirement is not considering Vikram in the first place. The user wants whether it is Vikram, Sandeep, X, Y, Z, we are not interested. I have to calculate the subtotals based upon its material type. So whatever the material types are similar, calculate all its quantity. Whatever the material types are similar, calculates it subtotal.
Okay.
Right?
So FG it will be 10 and SFG it will be
50. Agree?
Yes.
Right? So the thing is, whenever we wanted to perform certain actions in SAP, for an internal table, what is the password? So we use a concept of control break statements. We use a concept of control break statements. Now, what are control break statements in effect? What are control break statements in effect? We have some control break statements called as an at new, at end of. Okay, at new, end of. Okay,
Mhm.
at particular field, at particular field. Now, some. Okay, these are the control break statements. So remember, whenever you start any control break statements, you should basically end the control break statements, or else system will not understand. Or else system will not
What
understand.
is the difference
Okay, so
between
what will be?
what is the difference
I
between
will
at?
tell you. I will tell you. I will tell you. So we have certain control break statements such as at new, at end of, at feed, some. Right. There is one more thing. I forgot it. At new, at end of, at last. Basically, control break statements are used to calculate subtotals and grand totals of an internal table whenever you have to calculate based upon certain condition. Okay.
Okay.
Not only for calculating subtotals or any totals, if you want to basically change the internal table data for each of the record, for each of the record, then you have to use the control break statement. Then you have to use the control break statement. So the different control break statements used are at first, at last, at new, at end of, right? Field and sum. Here they did not mention. So the another one is sum. Okay. Now, if I have to show with you an example, remember one more thing. The control break statement is only used at where in the inside a loop and an end loop. It is basically used inside a loop and end loop, right?
Okay.
Now, before I start something else, did you practice the internal table operations by any chance?
Yeah, I work
No,
on the function module and the task which we are
not on
given
the
that.
function model. Internal table operations.
Okay, delete one.
No, internal what is an internal table operations?
That's what I'm saying. Refresh, freeze, sort,
Right.
read,
We will
delete.
do that. Hold on. Huh. Did you do that by any chance?
I do before the class I did it. Not today. I mean a week back.
Okay. Tell me, why do we use read statement?
Read statement. Read statement is used in order to uh, extract extract the data
From where?
from internal table to work area.
Internal table to work area. What is the syntax of a read statement?
Syntax will be something like read uh, read record, sorry, read table it underscore mara.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Go ahead. Go ahead. Mm-hmm. Hello.
Yes, I'm here only.
Okay. Uh,
Read table
so
it underscore mara in work
read
area
table, internal table, read table, itab into work
work
area
area
underscore
mara
model with
with
key
key.
or with index. You can use anything. Okay.
Yes.
Now this is a traditional way of writing. Now today what will I show you is how do we write it in normal ABAP and how do we write the same statements in S4HANA ABAP. This might not work here, but you you can basically use it use it in your new system. Okay, I will show you both the things. Now what we will do is I will first create a types. What are these news? Types. If I have to even explain you about the classes as well, this will again take UI underscore.
For this topic, you need to explain the class as well.
No. Not in this topic, not in the class, but I have to cover the classes as well. I
Yes.
say 24. How do you define the class and everything, right?
Uh-huh.
UI underscore test, right? UI underscore test and dot UI underscore test. Okay. Now I will add a field say name, right? How many characters it will take name now?
It will take one character.
So if you have to define 5 characters,
You can write either bracket 5 or you can write length 5.
so I can write it only and you have to do WhatsApp, right?
Yes.
So I forgot to ask you what happened to that issue.
What is
Was it routed to the offshore or was it taken care by the basis? The dump one.
okay. That okay. The mail which okay you are talking about the issue which I got.
Yes.
Oh yeah, definitely resolve the thing which I have explained, which I dropped a mail. The next day, I mean, Indian ABAPer who were working on that
Mm.
project, they did the same. They restart the project program, all the program,
Mhm.
and the issue has been resolved. The customer told that we are not getting any issue now.
Okay. Now tell me, how do I create a work area internal table? Right tab.
Work area to be created with
First internal table type standard table of py underscore test.
okay.
Now data work area type py underscore test. Now tell me if I want to push records, right? How do I have to do it?
Push
Work
record.
area hyphen push certain data to the internal table. Not every time we get the data from the select queries. We can even push the data to from work area to internal table. For that, what I have to do, I have to basically just populate the data in the work area. Work area hyphen
First name.
is equals to right.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what is a thumb rule whenever we use work areas?
Thumb rule is the work area.
Right. I will tell you. Hold on. So, if I want to add a record, how do I do it? Append
Append
work
append
area
work
to
area to internet iTab.
data. Now, here I will also assign work area to data.
You didn't mention one
Now,
record, first name.
I know. Hold on. What is the thumb rule for defining a work area? Okay, I guess you have forgotten. I will again tell you.
Can you give me the hint?
I will tell you. I will show you. You will get automatically. So whether I have given first name, second name, leave it. Now, how many records my internal table should have?
Internal table should have two record.
Two record. Okay. Perfect. So I will put a breakpoint here. File system is stored. I will even take class today at 2:30 or 3 when you wake up, Vikram.
Okay, sure. I want to have more practice in the function modeling because that is going
You
to
have it done.
I did it.
Mm-hmm. Are you there in LinkedIn?
Yeah, I'm here. What was the package in India for a 2 years experience person, 2 or 3 years adapter?
Maybe somewhere around 4 lakhs per annum.
Sorry?
Deliveries. 4 lakhs per annum.
Oh,
So, see this. Yeah, 1 second. So how many records? The first record is getting appended here, right? Now after this statement, line number 26, my record will get appended. After this, my record will get appended. Now ideally, how the record should be: roll number 1, Vikram US, roll number 2, space US, right? Right?
yes.
Do you agree?
Uh-huh.
But tell me how it is now. Roll number 2 is also Vikram. Why this happened?
Okay, just a sec. Okay, because we need to follow the same way whatever we define in the structure.
No. No. Basically, whenever you feel that the operation of the work area is completed, you have to
Okay,
basically
clear, yes.
clear your work
Clear the
area.
work area.
You have to basically clear your work area. Did you understand? So that
If
is
I
the
do not,
reason. If you do not clear the work area, whatever the value which is holding first name for the first record, that will get appended to your second record, which is incorrect. Now let us go and try to debug it again. So are you understanding why it is a thumb rule to clear the work areas?
yes.
Right? Did you see? So that will give you an inappropriate data. Now if I clear my work area, so my roll number first record will have 1 Vikram US, 2 space US, which is correct. Right? If you don't clear the work areas, whatever the record is there for the first record, that will get appended to the second record. So the thumb rule is whenever the processing of the work area is completed, you have to basically clear the work areas. You have to basically clear the work areas. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. What is the next set of operation? What is the next operation? How do I insert a record at a specified position? How do I insert a record at a specified position? Right? How do I do it? What is the statement? Insert
Insert.
work area into internal table index 2. I can give right, index 2. Now what will happen? It will add a record at a particular index. Where it will add? It will add record at index 2. So what will I do is I'll make this space record as 3 and this as 2. Which means when the internal table is getting added, it will add 1 and 3 and 3 roll number will be at the second position. Now I will say insert work area into internal table. I will say insert work area into internal table. Now if you see here, my internal table has how many records? 2 records at line number. So 1, 3 and Vikram. Now what is that I'm doing? I am adding one more set of data. I'm adding one more set of data and I am inserting that record at which position? Second position. Now if you see here, how many table records to my internal table have? 2 records. Now second record, is it added at the second position? Yes. It is added at the roll number 2 is added at the second position. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so insert statement. How? What is other way of using the insert statement? How do I use it? By providing the field position. By providing the field position. Internal table. Not. No, sorry. Index is based upon only the index position. You cannot add it based upon the field position. Okay. That was for different things. Sort we would do it based upon the index position. Now this is done. If and then insert. Right. Now what is the other statement? I have to sort my internal table. I want to sort. I have by default how these records get sorted.
By default, the result by ascending order.
By ascending order. Now what will I do? This is a new way of creating data. Data underscore sort is equals to data. What is that I'm doing is I just created a one more internal table here itself and passing the data to it. Now I say itab underscore sort underscore descending by, if I have to explicitly sort by roll underscore number descending. I want to sort the internal table by roll number by descending. Now let us, if you are missing in between, let me know. I wanted to, that is if you had practiced this right, you would have, if you practice all these things by checking these things, however it will know right, because the other day I was not having the system. Okay. Now if I say internal table sort, right, by default it will sort based upon, by default it should sort based upon what? Sort based upon ascending. Right, now did it sort based upon ascending? I have just, what did I say? Sort internal table. I have said sort internal table. When I sort internal table, what you might have think is 1, 2, 3 is a sequence in the ascending, but it has put it as 2, 3, 1. Why? Because when you are saying sort internal table, sorted complete fields in the internal table, right? Which is correct. 2 is the sequence first in the ascending order, where the first name is space and the last name is user. Next in the ascending order 3. The first name is space and last name is third. It has taken the reason here is it has sorted, but it has sorted the whole internal table. So ascending order may V comes at the last, space comes at the first. That is why it has taken one as a last record. That is the reason we have to decide whether we have to sort all the fields in the internal table or some of the fields in internal table. Now I have taken populated my records into another table which has the same sequence after the sorting. Now I say sort internal table by roll number in the descending format. So it will take the highest number first to the last number last. Is it doing? It is doing. So my sort statement is getting based upon the descending order. Are you getting me, Vikram?
Yes. So in the roll number wise, it is
If I have
descending.
to, in the row number wise, it is descending. Now, now the next question is how do I sort the above table in ascending order? Tell me, how do I sort it? I have to specify the field name. I have to specify the field name. Do I need to mention the ascending order if I want to ascend?
No.
Not
By default, you take ascending,
reason.
but by default.
By default, it will take it as a ascending order. Now I go to the debugger mode again. I go to the debugger mode, right?
Uh-huh.
So I will append the records to my internal table, which is in some syntax. Now, before the start statement, I will show you the records. So it is in 1, 2, 3 only. So you will not find. So if I press an F5, the system is still sorting the records on 1, 2, 3 only. That's the reason there is no change in the records. Now, if you see, my sort internal table by field name statement got executed again.
Okay.
Okay, the system is slow. So I have sorted my internal table. Did I put it a ascending statement? No. If I have to show you the descending order, I have taken it as separate internal table. Same internal table also you can do it by just putting the field name in the sort position. The field name in the sort position, that is ascending or descending. Done. Now in the same internal table, if I have to sort one record on ascending, the other record on descending. If I have to sort my internal table, one record on ascending and the other record based upon descending. Vikram A, I will put it as Vikram A for the second record. Now, can you please work on the assignment which I'm giving Vikram and show me the result as
Syntax.
not the syntax, all the requirements for I asked you to combine 2 to 3 table. Function model is it done? Can we
Yes.
check this now?
Yeah, you can check it out.
Okay. Let me just check that. We see. So first I will say the roll number. Next I will say sort internal table by
First name.
roll number ascending and last underscore name descending. Now how the record should behave?
So you can remove the first line now, because there are two sorts.
I wanted to put it because the we are adding 1 and 3 first, then we are inserting the second record, right? So first I wanted to sort based upon roll number so that the sequence is 1 to 3.
Okay.
Then I will sort again the same internal table by roll number ascending and last name descending. Now tell me how the results will display. Any idea?
Sorry, sir, your voice is not
Or
audible. Hello?
is it audible now?
Yeah.
So that is what. 1 second. I just need to. It is audible, right?
Yes.
So tell me what how the records would get appended now. I mean sorted now.
Yeah.
Till here it will sort based upon internal table by roll ID. It is saying 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Uh-huh.
Now I am saying sort internal table ascending with first record and descending with the last record. So how my records will be shown? How my records will be shown? Tell me. First
Okay.
record ascending, last record descending. So what will be my first record now?
Okay. Because in this case, when you are moving with
It is
descending,
ACB.
yes,
C will become my first record,
yes,
right? Now,
CAB will be.
but, no, but it did not happen. Why? Let me see. I said sort internal role by ascending last name descending. So remember one thing. Okay. Whenever you give the sequence, whenever you basically give the sequence, what for in the same internal table, if you say first field as ascending and the second field as descending, first the internal table will take the priority of the first record.
Okay.
So first field, it will take the priority of the first field. It will take the priority of the first
Roll
field.
number.
Then it will see whether it can be descended or not, whether it can be used in descending order or not. So in this case, the first record will be taken into the consideration. So because you are saying first you sequence the order with what you say
Roll number.
ascending 1, 2, 3, right? Then check the order sequence with descending, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you will think that the C record will come first here. C record will come first here because C being the greatest. No, the system will not take it. Reason being, you have clearly asked the system first, you have to sort it based upon internal table with roll number with the first field. So this sequence it will not get changed. And if it has to change with the second sequence without disturbing the first sequence, then the sequence would get changed. Then the sequence would get changed. Now let me see if I can just put it down. Or this not might be the best example. Let me just see this. So whenever you give a particular table, right? The first sequence of sort it would check with based upon the first field in the internal table. System is slow, man. Okay. Now, what will I do is I will try to put this roll number as 2 and I will just say append work area to iTab. I will say append work area to iTab.
Okay.
Come on. Okay, let me just try to execute the program again. So what is the thumb rule whenever you declare any work areas or the processing of work areas or variables
Clear,
is completed?
clear for work area. After the append, we should need to use the clear statement to clear the
We
work.
can we even skip clear?
No, because if we keep clear, then the same record which have been updated first in the work area, that will be going to
See,
rebuild.
right. Now, did you observe here? I have taken roll number 1 and 2 only. I did not take roll number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now I set the system to sort based upon my record for the roll number for the first criteria. So 1, 2 sequence did not get changed. Then in the same internal table, I have asked the system to set the records based upon descending. So for the first record, it will not get changed. Since the priority of the roll number, first field is roll number is 1 and this will not get sequenced. Upon 2 and second record, since the roll number 2 is same for 2 and 3, then it is going to go and see the sequence of the second field, whether B is greater or C is greater. It has found that C value is greater, descending is greater than B. So in this case, it will take the C record as the first record. Did you get it? Earlier it is ABC. Do you want me to show it again? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, one second. System is slow. What will I do is I will take again this data.
Yes. So multiple spelling incorrect.
No. Multiple circle around.
So why we need to write this data statement? data, item, sort, multiple.
No, I wanted to show you. I am actually creating a one more internal table and passing the record. So I have to show you what is the records which we are having before, and after this sort statement, what is the records which we are having. So I don't want it to sort the same internal table because I have to come back. So I created one more. So data, this statement is basically creating an internal table then and there itself. This is nothing, and we are basically updating all the records of internal table to item sort multiple is an another internal table.
Okay.
Okay. I just wanted to show before and after. That's the reason I was taking this. This is very slow. What is the next internal table operation after sort?
After sort, we are having as a delete adjacent record.
Delete adjacent record. Very good.
And
Did we cover all the statements of sort? Sort ascending, sort descending, sort field by, sort internal table by field. We covered everything in sort.
yes.
Now, this is a traditional way of appending the records. Now, I will show you how do we append the records using HANA.
Okay.
Okay, because this is a regular way. Now, people are not expecting you to write like this actually.
Okay.
Okay, they are when you are having a HANA database, you have to go and use the HANA statements only. Okay. क्या यार इतना खराब सिस्टम. What's the time, Vikram?
For me?
Do you have it? Yeah.
For me, it's 11 o'clock night.
Okay. Have you dinner, right? You have to have it.
Yes.
So, I have taken, I am passing here the internal table records data to one more internal table called as sort multiple. So, before the sort of ascending and descending, the records are same ABC 1, 2, 2 in both the internal tables. Now, I'm going to sort this multiple internal table with roll number ascending and last name descending. Now, if you see here, it is 1, 2, KCB. Now, if I have to show you the other table which we didn't sorted before with only sort internal table 1, 2, 2, ABC. Now it is 1, 2, 2, but Vikram, Brad, and Adam, ACB. Right? Since the first record is same, then it is checking for the next field in the descending order. If I just show you the other internal table, where in which we have sorted this sort multiple table by roll number ascending and last name descending. Now, if you see this internal table, 1, 2, C, ACB, 1, 2, Vikram, Brad, and Adam. Is this
So
clear?
in this, it was supposed to get the descending order B, C, B, A, but it in the last name, but it was not able to do so, isn't it?
No. It is doing correct only, right? Now,
No, that's what I'm saying, because you mentioned like ascending, roll number should be ascending. That is good. 1 to 2. And the last name will be CBA.
Last names will be, it will not be CBA. That is what I am trying to tell you. So, that is what. So, when you say one field by ascending,
The first priority will be given to roll number.
First priority will be given to roll number.
And according to that,
the roll number, according to that, the roll number 1 will not get changed.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. And the roll number sequence will not get changed.
So
now, if it's
so what I believe, like if I so whenever when we are sorting two one sorry record with two fields ascending and descending, then we will not be getting the exactly the same. Like we are saying that roll number should
Right.
be
Right.
ascending, so we should not
Right.
suppose that okay roll number is in ascending, then I said last name should be descending, then I should suppose that
Right.
I should get CBA. Why I'm
No.
getting
No.
SCB?
Right. Right.
Because it will match the record with the first priority, that is
First
first field.
priority of the field. Yeah,
Okay.
correct. So whenever you have multiple records with the same field, and if you are asking it to sort based upon multiple things, then yes, it
CBA,
will get
CBA.
sorted like
Yes.
this.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So clear. Now let us see how to write the statements in. Excuse me. How to write the statements in.
Doing the certification in some other domain, will it be helpful?
No, this guy was from IIM actually. He worked with me as an adapter first. Then later he moved to Salesforce. So he has done some Salesforce certification.
Okay.
So I know him. That's the reason. Okay. So how do we write the? So what is the internal table item? Is equals to value hash. This is the new syntax. Value hash take 1 second. 1 second. Let me just try this first. Then I forgot this syntax. 1 second. 1 second. Just a second, okay. Hello.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, just a second. This forgot. Let me just try this. Data model.
Although it won't be run there
Data.
in the system.
Let me just see value hash. Because some statements were working on the other day for model 2 we were writing the things, right? So why it is not working? It is similar now.
Now you're joining Accenture here.
Not yet decided, man.
Okay.
One second. So how do you write the append statement? Is like this. Okay. Now I wanted to append this record to an internal table. I wanted to append the record to an internal table. So I say append value of whatever the field names to which table. Now let me just put a breakpoint here and just check it out if it is getting appended or not. Are you getting how I'm trying to append my record?
Directly we will write the name append. Before we are doing the
Right. Work area, doing all these things. Like I say, append to the internal table. It got appended. It got appended. It got appended. Now, what if I want to add one more record in the internal table using the HANA statement? But why did that statement of the select query did not work? Okay, maybe that is because of we have to hit the HANA database. Inline coding, whenever you are not hitting the HANA database, it is accepting. So what if I want to add one more record? What if I want to add one more record? How can I add it? Any idea? Any guess? So then I will mention this set as a first record. This set as a first record. Agree?
okay. And
This set as then I will copy this setting
then you write in the bracket.
before the end bracket and end bracket is closed. I will say
4.
4. Like this, I can add n number of records.
So this syntax.
One second, it is giving me the 1 second. This record is completed. Okay, I cannot add. Let me just see how will this be. Or else I have to add it. Okay, I can only add 1 record or 2 records. Okay, I cannot add like this. Okay, value of. No, it says no, right. Okay. Maybe we have to add it in the same way only. I forgot this. For the other syntax, we can add it. I'll show you that as well. So for here, if you want to add it, you have to say just two item. Right? Again, you have to say append values of append. What is the syntax? Append value hash. Append value hash to internal table. Okay, then you append the
So we have statement, or you are writing on the same append, you are writing 2 times.
No, I'm writing it 2 times because it was not accepting in the same braces.
Okay.
The other way it will accept, I'll tell you.
So,
Okay.
so
Now,
is this line number 34, 35, 36 having relation with 37, 38, 39, or this line different and this line different?
This lines is different and this lines is different. I'm showing both the pros. This is all the traditional way. This is the HANA inline coding way.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
No work area, nothing is related to another thing. Now, how is it we are adding a work area to an internal table, appending a record to an internal table using an append statement? So whenever we wanted to add a record to an internal table, what is the statement we are using? We are using it as an append, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now in HANA database, if I want to add a record, how will I add it? I tab equal to value hash brackets open base I tab work area. I had the alert system in handling work very fast.
Sorry.
No. The alert system, agar if I had in hand, that I would have shown you everything very fast. That is what I am saying. Hold on. Set I tab equal to value as space internal. Hold on for a minute. Shit, not so long. After again. ये स्टेटमेंट भूल गया था.
Anyway, sir, let's go for the function module because tomorrow I need
Yeah,
to
we
show
will
that
go.
through my experience.
अच्छा. Okay, I will just check it and let you know. Okay. I will tell you in the evening, my time. If I got it. So we have done with till where insert append sort left out is deleted this and duplicate. I will show you that and then we will quickly now I will say delete adjacent duplicates. So what is from itab underscore from itab comparing what last underscore name. I will delete adjacent duplicates comparing last underscore name. Okay. Now there is a thing here. So just test it and I will because we have to use a sort statement before we use this.
So can you be audible louder?
Sorry?
Sometimes your voice gets so low that I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Now, again you're gone.
Now?
Now it's fine.
Maybe I have some mic issue.
So what is the difference between delete and delete adjacent?
Delete adjacent will only record the duplicate entries in the internal table. Delete will record the complete record in the internal table. Okay.
Okay.
So they are comparing the last name. So will it delete any of the record from the internal table now?
No.
Why? There are no.
Different record are there in last name.
Now let us see whether the statement has executed successfully or not. If it is executed successfully, the size aberration value will be 0 or else it will be 4. Now what is the size aberration value? It is 4. So it did not get executed successfully, which means there are no duplicate entries in the internal table.
Okay.
So Vikram, you just add some entries. I'll be back in 5 to 10 minutes. I have to just go to the washroom and just be back in
Okay.
10 minutes. Okay.
Add some entries.
With multiple records for the last name.
Okay.
In the new, using new HANA system, HANA code.
Can you give me
Right.
can you give me the access?
Neeraj, yeah, take the access. You just close this and open the system in your system.
Okay, fine.
Bye. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay.